Hi guys, it's me again, Tiffany with TAMG Realty. You know, on the last video, we spoke about 3 home improvement tips. I have 3 more for you. So tip 4, commit to maintenance. When I mean commit to maintenance, meaning get your HVAC check, get your plumbing check, get your roof check, do your duct cleaning. Have a regular maintenance guy check everything out so you don't run into big expensive problems all at once. So if you commit to maintenance, it will help you budget and plan so you don't have like a big emergency because you're planning ahead because you're committing to maintenance. Tip number 5, guys, safety. Safety is important. Even in our own home, we need to make sure that our home is safe. Meaning security cameras in the front, the back of your home, motion detector lights, right? Cameras in your homes as well, so you could know what's going on 24/7. We have all this technology, gadgets. You could even program your Nest or item like a Nest. You could play back cameras. You could do all of that good stuff. So safety is number 1. And guys, that brings me to tip number 6, committing to a cleaning schedule, like a set schedule. I know everyone is saying, well, I clean my home. Well, the type of cleaning I'm speaking of is power washing your driveway, power washing your stairs if you have it, power washing your house, cleaning your gutters, right? Removing those leaves so it won't be clogged up, right? Cleaning your windows, having a professional clean your windows, your ducts, all that good stuff. So when I say set a cleaning schedule, meaning taking care of the outside of your home just as much as you take care of the inside of your home. So I hope these tips are helpful for you. Until next time, toodaloo!